Yes, so it
Thank you,
doesn't
baby.
break. You're welcome.
Oh, they're so cute. It's from my friend. Ayan. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Hello.
Korea's Vlogs.
How you doing
For today's
today?
video, what we gonna do?
We're gonna do the Balikin box.
Balikbayan box.
Balikbayan box.
Yeah, so today's video guys, magpapak tayo ng balikbayan box going to
The Philippines.
Philippines. Yay! So we have here our two large boxes guys from do you know what company is this? LBC.
LBC.
Yeah, so not a sponsored video, but yeah, we always do our boxes sa LBC guys. Kasi yun yung pinakamalapit dito sa amin sa San Jose guys. So yun na yung pinakamalapit. So dalawang boxes and we have our stuffs here. So and si Cory and then si Marley. Yeah, so I'll show you our boxes. Yung boxes namin, dalawa yan. And then ito yung mga stuffs na ipapak namin guys. Ang dami actually. Ayan, mga snacks yan dyan. At saka candies. And then, ito yung mga bubble wrap na irarap namin. Sari-saring stuffs, guys. Mga sabon, ayan. For Philippines. Ito yung gagamitin namin. Meron kaming duct tape at saka clear tape. Ayan. So, ayan si Mr. Tingnan nyo, guys. Sobrang dami ng iba-box namin. Sapatos yan. Yung iba, yung hindi ko na ginagamit, ipapadala ko rin doon. Ayan, sobrang dami yan. Mga damit at sapatos. Ayan pa. Ayan, ano na kasi yung pusa namin, nagkagulo-gulo. Ayan, sira na yung mga bags. Ayan, sobrang dami yan guys. So, tingnan natin kung mapapagkasya natin doon sa dalawang box na large. Ayan. So, let's start packing. You ready, my love?
Yeah.
Okay. So, see you guys later. Box namin guys. Ayan, let's start putting it inside. So what we gonna do first? Like boxes, we can fill up the boxes of those juice. We can stick some stuff in there.
Yeah.
Guys, so far yan pa lang yung nalagay namin. Yun yung mga toddler clothes from my friend. Ayan. Binigay niya sa akin para may padala doon sa Pinas. So, let's fill it up. He's helping me bubble wrapping it.
Yeah, I'm bubble wrapping it so it
Thank
doesn't
you, baby.
break. You're welcome.
Yeah.
It's not gonna break.
That's good.
And that, look at this tape on top.
Almost.
Should I bubble wrap this too?
Which one?
Let's actually tape it on top.
Oh, you can just probably take it on the top. Thank you.
Welcome, my love.
And then, yeah, the box closed. And then, here are a lot of baby shoes for my friend. So, we're gonna enjoy it in Philippines. Look at, they're so cute. Especially this one, babe. From Amelia. Yeah, when Amelia was a little baby. Chocolate, yeah. We're closing it.
Trying to.
Yeah, ayan. Puno na guys. First box pa lang yan. May pa tayong ipapak. Ayan. Tapos, ayan pa. And doon pa. Ito Ito pa lang yung first box. Yay! Si Habi, look at. Say hi!
Hi.
Hinupuan.
We finished filling up the first box, but we didn't tape it all the way.
Yeah,
So we're gonna start on the second box.
This is the second box.
Yes. So we got one brown box and one white box.
Yeah, it's white and brown. So
Next is
it's,
like us.
American and Filipino. Coffee and milk.
Yes. No coffee and cream.
Oh, coffee and milk. Coffee and cream. Oh, it's weird.
Oh, you're born.
Guys, he called me Buang.
Yes, she is.
Hello, you're pang.
No. I'm Loy.
Are you pangit?
No, I'm Loy.
Are you pogi?
Yes. I'm Corgi.
So this box is large. Hopefully the large is not so expensive. Because last time it was $90. The large one.
But we don't know. Last time they
The
gave you
extra-
extra large.
Yeah, the extra large is like 110.
It was like 100 and something.
110, I think. So yeah. Because when we went over there, they don't have available extra large.
Mm-hmm.
That's only large boxes. Yeah, we always go to LBC.
Your setter.
Marino. Padala.
And then after that, she go to a favorite place.
What is your favorite place?
What is your favorite place? What is by LBC?
Bida ang saya.
Mm.
Jollibee.
Bia Yang Singa.
Bida ang saya.
Yeah.
Bida.
Bida Yang Singa.
No. Bida ang
Bida Ang Singa.
saya.
Yeah.
Again, bida ang saya.
Bida Ang Saya.
Saya.
Yeah.
Parang bulol. Bida ang saya. Say it.
Bida Yang Singa.
Hinampas niya yung puwit ko. Bida.
Bida Ang Saya.
Yes.
Okay.
Good job.
Good job.
What is that?
It's a Jollibee.
So, tips ko pala sa inyo guys, pag nag-box kayo, pag nag-tape kayo, like, sa pinakauna is duct tape. Ayan, duct tape. And then, dublihan nyo siya ng clear tape para hindi siya madali na mapunit or what do you call it? So, it's not easy to rip when it has a clear tape.
Yeah, nice.
It has a strong foundation. So, yan yung sikreto pag nagbabox kayo, guys. Bigyan nyo ng clear tape. Nagpa-box ako since 2018. Hanggang ngayon, ano pa rin. Since 2018, I sent my boxes via LBC. So far, my experience was okay. No missing.
Yeah, nothing missing.
Nothing missing, and then everything is complete. Yeah, pagdating doon. So, like 2 to 3 months. Pero usually, umaabot siya ng couple months, guys. Pag September mo pinapadala, mga by last week of November, ando na yan siya. So, depende sa location na papadalhan mo. Kasi kami, ako, sa Visayas ako, guys. So, kaya medyo matagal. Pero pag Luzon, I think, madali lang siya. Mga 1 month lang. Pero sa akin, nasa mga 1 month, maximum of 2 months, guys. Ano yung ating second box. Ayan, para yan sa pinsan ko. Nagpabili ng Michael Kors. So, yung ginagawa ko dito ay open ako to at lalagyan ng mga damit sa loob. Kasi meron pa tong space eh. Same din sa itong chips na to. Isang box. So, ayan. 1/4 pa lang nalagay dyan, guys. Lapit na mapuno, guys. Finally, ayan, puno na. So, nilagyan ko na lang ng mga bags, shopping bags sa taas para ma-flat siya, guys. So, i-close na namin. So, yan na ang ating box, guys. Tapos na. Lalagyan na lang natin ng label dyan. Yung, ayan. Yung from and to. Hindi pa nalagyan ng pangalan. Next week namin i-ship ito, guys. So, next time na lang lagyan. Pagod na kasi. Sakit na ng balakang ko. Yeah. So, update na lang kayo namin next week.
2,000 years later.
So, guys, pupunta kami ng LBC today. Yan, dito kami. Pipick upin namin yung friend ni Cory. Kasi tutulungan niya kami magbuhat ng boxes. Mamaya. Yes. And dito ako sa car naghihintay kay Cory. Pakita ko sa inyo yung kapaligiran dito. Parang countryside siya. Tagal ni Cory. Yung bahay nila. Yan na siya. Diyan na si Cory. Sabi ko, trespassing. Ewan ko saan na si Luis. Like, I don't know what tree is this. I think it's persimmon tree. Daming bunga. Naluto na siya, guys. Oh. Maraming tanim si friendship ni Habi. Ito yung bahay nila. Yan yung bahay nila malaki. At yung kapatid niya nakatira sa trailer. Ito yan yung maraming Luis sa atin. So, we're going.
A few inches later.
So mga day, after namin mag-LBC, syempre, diretso na tayo sa Jollibee. Bida ang saya kasi na-miss namin to ni Mr. At saka, treat na din namin yung best friend niya kasi paborito niya rin to. Kasi tinulungan niya kami magbuhat ng box. So, ayan, lafang na tayo. Diba? Ang sarap ng Jolly Spaghetti at saka spicy chicken. Pinaka-paborito ni Mr. Tingnan nyo dyan siya. Takam na takam. Gutom na kami dyan kasi mga 1 PM na yan. Ayan, nakasmile. Diyan yung best friend ni Mr. Single pa yan siya pala. Sa mga naghahanap ng afam dyan, single pa yan siya. Charot. So, ayan. Nakauwi na kami, guys. Dumiretso kami sa bahay nila. Kaya, ayan. Malawak yung kanilang lupain. Dumaan kami sa kanilang rancho ng mga donkeys. Meron silang donkeys, guys. Ayaw magpahawak sa akin, kaloka. Come on, what's your name? Little boy? Not friendly. How about you, Louis? Does he like?
No, he's the same like me.
Henry. Hi, Henry. You're getting big, Henry. Hi. Now you wanna be friends. You don't want to. But it's your shoe though.
No, I'm fine.
And now, andito pala kami sa kanyang garden, guys. Marami siyang tanim na tomatoes, red pear tomatoes, and cherry tomatoes. Ayan, pinaharvest niya ako ng kaunti, guys. Charot. Parang uubusin ko pala. So, ayan, guys. Samahan niyo ako mag-harvest. Ang daming hinog, guys. Kinakain na lang ata ng mga ibon to eh. Tsaka yung iba, pinapakain niya rin sa donkeys. Tsaka yung iba niyang tanim na squash, binibigay niya sa mga donkey niya. Kinakain niya nila vegetables.